this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play COD Mobile here in school. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This overall is super easy to go and do, so I'm going to walk you through this entire process step by step. But this is going to be unblocked on schools, and on top of that, this is going to work on any school device as well. First things first, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome right here. But what you're going to want to do is type in game loop and hit enter. The very first website right here is going to be the website you're going to want to go to. Go ahead and select this, and then up in the top right, you're going to see a download icon right here. Select that download icon, and it's going to automatically begin downloading just like so. Select the installer and go through the installation process. From here, you'll see that app now on your device. Go ahead and open it up, hit yes, and it's going to load you directly into a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to navigate into the library section. Now this filters by their most popular games right here, so you're going to want to find this Call of Duty Mobile section right here, and as you can see, all these other games have this install button. You're going to want to go ahead and click install next to Call of Duty Mobile. After you do that, it'll begin installing, and then you'll have the option to open it just like so. Go ahead and open it up. It's going to begin putting that anti-cheat system in force, and don't worry, this is going to take a minute the first time you do load into it, but after you do load into it that first time, it doesn't take long at all. Essentially, go ahead and wait for it to load, and once you do load, it should look something like this, where up at the top, you're going to see a full screen option. Go ahead and put full screen on, and then it's going to load you into the game. It should look something like this, and it'll be updated to whatever the most recent version of Call of Duty Mobile actually is. Accept those terms and privacy, and then sign in with whatever your Call of Duty Mobile account is. In this case, let's go ahead and just pretend I'm a guest for this example. But sign into your account or create one, and you'll now be able to play Call of Duty Mobile. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.